Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Apple gift card to PayPal Cash. Unfortunately, you cannot directly transfer an Apple gift card balance to PayPal Cash. Apple gift cards can only be redeemed for products or services in the Apple ecosystem, like the App Store, iTunes, or Apple hardware. If you want cash in PayPal, one option is to sell your Apple gift card on a trusted third-party platform that buys gift cards for cash. Once sold, the payout can be sent to your bank account, which you can then link to PayPal and transfer the money. So remember, while you can't directly move the balance, selling the card is a workaround to get PayPal cash. And that's it. That's how to transfer Apple gift card to PayPal cash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.